Hello students, this is Neeru Slathia, your social science teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter of class 7th subject civics, chapter number 8, a shirt in the market. Students, our first point is a cotton farmer in Kurnool. Students, Kurnool is a place in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Cultivation of cotton is very expensive and a difficult task. Students, small farmers in Kurnool grows cotton on their lands. Small farmer in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh grows cotton on their small piece of land. Once the ripening is done, cotton balls are gathered. These are taken to the neighborhood merchant as the farmer had obtained cash from him. Students, as the small farmers grows cottons on their lands and the balls carrying cotton takes several days to ripe, and after it ripens it is harvested. Cotton cultivation requires high levels of inputs such as fertilizers, pesticides, and farmers have to incur heavy expenses on account of all of these. Students, mostly the small farmers need to borrow some money to meet these expenses. Even though the market price is high, the merchant buys it at a meager price from the farmer. Students, meager means the lowest price. When students, the market price is high, but the merchants buys it as a lowest price from the farmer. Our next point is the cloth market of Erode. The bi-weekly market of Erode in Tamil Nadu is one of the biggest cloth market in the world. Students, cloth market of Erode in Tamil Nadu is one of the largest cloth market in the world. Cloth made by weavers from all over come here for sale. Students, a variety of cloth is sold in this market. Cloth that is made by weavers in the villages and around the areas is also brought here for the sale. Other traders from the South Indian towns also came here and purchased cloths in this market. Students, bi-weekly market means twice a week. Around the cloth market are offices of cloth merchants who buy this cloth. These merchants supply cloth on order to garment manufacturers and exporters around the country. Students, weavers weaves cloths that have been made an order from the on order from the merchants. These merchants supply cloths on order to garment manufacturers and exporters throughout the country. Students, our next point is putting out system. Now, what is putting out system? It is the arrangement between the merchant and the weavers, whereby the merchant supplies the raw materials and receives the finished products from the weavers. So, it is the arrangement between the merchant and the weavers. Putting out system, weavers producing cloth at home for the weavers. This arrangement has two advantages. The weavers do not have to spend their money on the purchase of the yarn. Weavers don't have to think about the selling of finished cloth. Students, weavers have two disadvantages and two advantages in this arrangement. Now, what are the two advantages? The first one is the weavers, they do not have to spend any money on the purchase of the yarn. Yarn means that thread used for the knitting or weaving. And the second advantage is that the weavers don't have to think about the selling of the finished cloth. Now, the on the other hand, there are a few disadvantages for the viewers. The first disadvantage is that dependency on raw materials and markets makes merchants more powerful. Uh, Second is viewers are paid very less for making the cloth. So students market works more in favor of the merchants as compared to the weavers, because the weavers paid very less for making the cloth. So students, that was all about our today's topic. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you.